Funeral and life cover should form part of any comprehensive financial plan. And these are things that are really topical around this time of year when accidents are increased. You need your funeral cover plan. It does exactly what it says on the box, right? It's a funeral plan that pays for the expenses of a funeral. So you want to be sure that if you or a family member do end up passing away in a car accident, that they're able to have a dignified funeral. The funeral is also not just about the funeral. There's lots of additional costs happening before the funeral as well as after the funeral. So something that people don't often think about is the repatriation of the body from where the accident took place to actually get to the funeral. This is something that we at Metropolitan believe is very important. And we include the repatriation benefit in all our funeral products as a free additional offering to clients to ensure that you can get the body back to the funeral and that the family isn't burdened by that additional costs. And then after the funeral as well, there's maybe something like a memorial service, etc., that you might want to have. You might need some additional money for that. But the reality in life is life continues after the funeral. We also have a very nice benefit where it's called your daily needs benefit, just to ensure that for a couple of months after the funeral, your family can still get an income to pay for daily essentials like your groceries, etc. But that takes care of your family for a very small period of time with very little money. But that's where life cover comes in, exactly for the life that continues after the funeral. So your life cover is there to protect other needs like the lost income of a breadwinner, to perhaps pay off debt that you've got on your house, on your car, to fund education for your children going forward. If in a car accident a breadwinner passes away, the reality is, what are you going to do? You're going to need money to continue with life as you know it. And that's exactly what life cover is about. And then there's actually a third product that doesn't fall into life or funeral cover that very few people know about. But Metropolitan offers a healthcare cashback product. Now, this product is not a medical aid, but it is a product that pays out a daily cash amount while you are in hospital. So many car accidents are not fatal, but you do end up in hospital and you've got your medical costs covered perhaps by your medical aid. But the reality is you still need to feed your family, you still need to pay for transport, for housing. Maybe on holiday, you need a caretaker for your kids while you're in hospital. And that's exactly what that plan is about. It pays out a daily cash amount while you're in hospital to cover non-medical expenses.
Join us on the Unusual Finance Chat, where we decode money mysteries and put you ahead in the financial game.